The basics of shooting a camera, well, this camera anyways. First you have to, hold on, let me focus. First you have to cock the shutter, set your speed, set it to, I guess, 2/50th of a second. You see there's an arrow here. That's the only way you can set the shutter speed. I think it's counterclockwise. So after you do that, you set your aperture. So let's set it to 2.8. See, for this lens, there's a built-in depth of field range. So f22, you can focus on a lot more things from foreground to background. f2.8, the focus is a bit narrow. So set your aperture, then you focus. Then you can't shoot yet. Have to pull up this lever. It's basically the shutter lock, and shoot. Then wind it up again. Take your next shot.